The waste industry is challenged by a number of factors that impact overall business performance. While options for technology inside the cab have grown dramatically over the last decade, fleets continue to struggle regarding how to best track productivity and improve the interface with their customers. Challenges such as safety, first-year driver and technician turnover, and scheduling maintenance are a large part of the equation. Fleets also struggle the moment their equipment touches their customers in areas like overloaded containers, recycling contamination, missed pickups, identifying container location, and property damage claims. With the advancement of technology, there's a means to collect data from a refuse collection vehicle, or RCV, that provides solutions to specifically address these challenges, each of which have a positive effect on the hauler's performance, improves the relationship with their customer, and ultimately grows their bottom line. Now that I've set the stage, I'd like to introduce you to ESG's Connected Collections. Our president, Pat Carroll, coined the phrase, "a factory without a roof," to describe the similarity of an asset producing on a plant floor to that of a refuse collection vehicle. The difference? You have complete visibility on the plant floor, so how do you gain that same visibility to an asset on the move? Continue to watch as Heil, Third-Eye, and Soft-Pak demonstrate our Connected Collections vision to help our customers make better decisions faster. Heil's connected body seamlessly communicates operational performance data, driver behavioral data, and video through the Third-Eye digital gateway mounted in the cab of the vehicle. The Heil body is connected to the same network as the chassis, which is broadcast to the cloud, where it is then compiled and converted into actionable information, which fleet owners can use to make better decisions faster. It's important to note that while a Heil body connected to Third-Eye and Soft-Pak will provide the most advanced stream of data and the most comprehensive list of options to better run your business, you can easily connect your entire fleet regardless of body or chassis OEM. With Third-Eye, safety video is ported to the Third-Eye review team to help improve driver behavior. Positive service verification images collected passively are sent to Soft-Pak for customer service, billing, and reporting. You will also hear how Soft-Pak's mobile-pak and map-pak software provides turn-by-turn route guidance, real-time productivity status, and communication between dispatch and the operator for immediate workload revisions via their in-cab tablet. Fleets can access pictures or videos immediately when a customer has been serviced and can provide customers with an updated service schedule if there are delays on the route. This dramatically increases route productivity and end-user satisfaction. Another example of our vision to help our customers make better decisions faster. So how is this accomplished? It all starts with the refuse collection vehicle and Third-Eye. The Third-Eye digital system can support up to 8 cameras to provide fleet owners 360-degree visibility, including the driver and what the driver sees. In addition, both chassis and body data are being transmitted on the J1939 network through the Third-Eye gateway in the cab. From here, everything is broadcast in real time to the cloud, where it is then classified based on the use case. Safety events are sent to our review team to identify coachable events to improve driver behavior. Positive Service Verification, or PSV events, passively collected are pushed to the Soft-Pak customer profile to document service or exceptions. It's important to note that all route and vehicle data collection is passive, so that the driver can focus on operating the vehicle safely without having to shift focus to either take images or input route collection information. Engine data is run through analytics for predictive maintenance, where open work orders can be automatically sent to a fleet's maintenance system based on vehicle fault codes via Third-Eye's Optim-Eyes module. With over 1 million data points generated per truck per day, Along with asset positional information, Third-Eye provides revenue-generating solutions such as overloaded containers and contamination recognition, as well as cost reduction solutions such as additional excise tax recovery, identifying not-outs or blocked containers. Third-Eye also helps fleets automate processes such as IFTA reporting and integrating engine hours and miles to our customers' maintenance ERP systems. All of this is possible right now to help customers make better decisions faster. The power of Soft-Pak's back-office systems, along with our mobile-pak in-cab computing tablet, allows us to meld perfectly with Heil and Third-Eye to produce a rich stream of data that represents virtually every aspect of a fleet's asset during a workday. Fleet owners can access this data through our industry-leading interface to generate customer billing, track landfill weight tickets via our scale-pak software, optimize route productivity via our map-pak tablet-based turn-by-turn routing software, even optimize their roll-off routes. Connected Collections makes it a lot easier for fleets to improve service levels and grow closer to their customers, regardless of what type of collection body you have in your fleet. With Connected Collections in your fleet's corner, your drivers drive. It's what they do best. Your customer service representatives use real-time data to address customer relations. It allows you to provide immediate customer service. No guesses. No, I'll get back to you later. Finally, it allows your back office to accurately collect the activity of your RCV to determine the services provided, allowing your fleet to do what it does best. So, we urge you to move around our digital offerings within the ESG virtual booth. If you have any questions regarding Connected Collections, reach out to any one of us at Heil, Third-Eye, or Soft-Pak, as we're excited to share with you how ESG Connected Collections can propel your business to the next level.